Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there lived a silly knight named Sir Lancelot. Dear Lancelot was not like the other knights. He loved to play tricks and make people laugh. He wore a shiny suit of armor, but sometimes he forgot to close his helmet, so it would swing open while he rode his horse, Bubbles. One day, the king of the kingdom called all the knights to the castle. "Brave knights," said the king, "my crown is missing. We must find it before the royal ball tonight." The knights looked worried. The crown was very important, and without it, the ball could not happen. Sir Lancelot raised his hand. "Don't worry, your majesty, I will find the crown." The king sighed but agreed to let Sir Lancelot try. Sir Lancelot rode Bubbles out of the castle and into the nearby forest. As they rode, they saw many funny things. A group of squirrels were having a dance party, and a rabbit was wearing a tiny hat. "This forest is full of surprises," Sir Lancelot laughed. Suddenly, they heard a strange noise coming from behind a bush. Sir Lancelot got off Bubbles and peeked behind the bush. To his surprise, he found a dragon. But this dragon was not scary at all. He was small and looked very sad. "Why are you crying, little dragon?" asked Sir Lancelot. "I lost my favorite toy," said the dragon, wiping his tears with his tiny claws. It was a shiny crown. Sir Lancelot thought for a moment. Could it be the king's crown? He asked excitedly. The dragon nodded. "Yes, I found it in the castle and thought it was a toy." "Don't worry, I will help you find it," said Sir Lancelot. He and the dragon, whose name was Spark, decided to look for the crown together. They went back to the castle, where the other knights were still searching. When they arrived, Sir Lancelot told the king about Spark and the lost crown. "We must return it to the castle," said the king, looking surprised but happy. "Thank you, Sir Lancelot." The knights were amazed when they saw the small dragon. "A dragon is helping us. This is the best day ever," one knight shouted. They all gathered in the throne room, where the king placed the crown back on his head. "Now we can have the royal ball," he declared. Everyone cheered, and the dragon even did a little dance. That night at the ball, Sir Lancelot, Spark the dragon, and all the knights had a fantastic time. They ate delicious food, danced to joyful music, and laughed together. The king thanked Sir Lancelot for his bravery and kindness. From that day on, Sir Lancelot became known as the silliest and most caring knight in the kingdom, and Spark the dragon became his best friend, always joining him on new adventures. Vocabulary list. 1. Knight. A man who served as a soldier in the past and was often given a title of honor. 2. Crown. A circular ornament worn on the head, usually by a king or queen. 3. Castle. A large building with high walls where kings and queens live. 4. Adventure. An exciting experience that involves risk or uncertainty.